Do you love cats as much as I do? Folks, my name is Adam, and we've got the brand new babysitter for your pets. Yes, this device is going to make cat ownership so much easier. You're not going to have to worry about scooping. You're going to be able to go on vacation, and it's a whole lot of fun. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right now. So folks, this is the new AutoScooper 12 Lite, and I absolutely love it. When we're talking about trustworthy, this is it. This is your trustworthy pet sitter. And yeah, the new Lite version is simpler, easier, and you know what? It's more affordable. It's also super portable. Now, I love the fact that this allows me to go out on vacation, and it allows me to make sure my cats are well cared for. One of my favorite selling points is that little step right there. This step is absolutely perfect for elderly cats and for shy cats to go ahead, step up, and see what's going on inside, and it makes it easy for them to get in and get out. It's also perfectly designed for even little kittens, so big cats can get in like mine, or your little cats can jump in and out easily and efficiently. This is perfect for your kitty cats with mobility issues. And you know what? In my real life experience, we've got a couple big cats. They love it. But your senior cats and your little kittens are going to be taken care of. So that makes me happy. There's also no sharp components in the drum, which means that there's nothing for them to get cut on, no places for issues, and even your little munchkin cats are going to be able to fit in there without having to worry about it. And I do want to mention that you don't have to use the app. The device works just fine if you don't install the app at all. There's even 7 groups of infrared sensors and 4 Hall effect sensors to detect your cats, and it will pause when your cat is nearby, so it's not going to pinch them or close on them. I also love the fact that this is perfect for hands-free cleaning, solving daily scooping problems. This is great because it solves the problems of those cats that don't cover up their poops. That's easy for me to say. It resolves issues with loose stool, soft poop, clumping, and incomplete clump formation. This gets rid of everything for you to make sure that your cat's poops are dumped down, the peas are gone, and you don't have to worry about it. Now, as you know, we have 3 big cats. And I think the favorite thing for me is it eliminates the smell. And that's something that we can't easily show you in the video, is that this is able to keep all those smells down. It's able to tuck away those dirty little parts, and it's able to keep your porch, house, or lanai smelling great. So don't take my word for it. Let's test it with this little Tootsie Roll. Seems appropriate. Let's imagine that our cat does their business, and then it will automatically start cleaning. So we will simulate the cleaning process there and watch as it goes ahead. It has the sensors that will automatically shut off if there's a kitty cat too close. But you can see how it's working, sifting through and separating any of the bad stuff. Now, we've actually been using this for the better part of 3 days. And I really do like the fact that this has gone ahead and kept that litter clean, kept it smell-free, and working fine. And there you go, folks. It has dumped out the unwanted Tootsie Roll, leaving us solely with the clean kitty litter. Now, that's going to save us when it comes to the price of kitty litter, which isn't cheap. And it's, again, going to keep the smells down. And without naming names, I think my favorite thing is that this is saving us a lot of money compared to the competition. This is a cost-effective solution. If you're looking for something that will eliminate waste, get rid of smell, keep all of the litter in the box, you're not going to find anything on the market at this price point that does a better job than the AutoScooper 12 Lite. When you're done, you can see all of your nasty kitty waste is right there, bagged up and ready to be thrown out. I also love the fact that this looks beautiful. It's a perfect design. It's kind of minimalistic. It isn't taking up a lot of space in your house. And it's something that isn't standing out looking like a gross litter box. It stays looking clean, it is petite, and it is good looking, just like Honeycat. So yes, folks, if you're looking for a great value, a great fun device that's going to allow you to travel again, going to allow you to get away from your cats, make it to where you don't have to worry about them using the restroom in the wrong spot of the house, well, guess what? I love it. And honey, do you agree? He says yes, sirree. Folks, my name is Adam. I know it's good. Go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. This is a great brand, a great product, and it's making sure to keep your cats happy. And that's what matters. It looks good. It's cost effective. It is very, very convenient, and it's great for younger cats and older cats. And you can see this thing is perfect. Thanks for watching. Go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Adios, amigos.